Since 1981, Anglia Business Solutions has grown to become a market leader in the provision of software to the fresh food industry in the UK. It has recently repositioned itself as a one-stop shop for a core client base of fresh produce providers to leading retailers.
What we needed to do was to step back and not develop something for a customer, but develop a solution for a marketplace. We invested in Microsoft's .NET technologies, and they were, if you like, the key to integrating mobile solutions with the back-end business solutions. And by putting the two of those together and getting the technology right, we were in a situation where we had a unique edge in that marketplace. And it didn't take the customers long to grab onto that and say, that's exactly what we want. Something that's flexible, something that can change quickly as our business models change, and something where we know what's going on as it happens.
Anglia Business Solutions' success is largely due to three factors. It designs innovative, efficient and appropriate software for the fresh food market. It develops services that can be used on a mobile basis. And it attracts and retains quality staff with first-hand knowledge of the fresh food business.
We're very much geared at supporting what we call end-to-end processes. So if, for example, your business is to get carrots or potatoes into packaging onto the shelves of Morrison's or Sainsbury's, then we could be involved right at the front of that with the planning of the crop, if the business is into growing, right through the supply chain, through harvesting, through the pack house, dispatch and onto the supermarket shelves.
If somebody finds a pallet or a container on the shop floor that's broken or damaged, it's no good waiting 10 minutes to go and rekey that in a laptop or a PC somewhere. So a lot of the work that my team is involved with is empowering people out on the shop floor and keep it up to date. In conjunction with mobile devices, mobile printing is also a key element. So as you're quality inspecting, you can print quality reports, attach it to the packaging, and then anybody can then visually identify where there's been a problem.
The British Computer Society Awards recognise excellence in the field of IT. Anglia Business Solutions Award in the BCS Business to Business category celebrates its successful work with the fresh produce provider Produce World.
One of the things that Anglia has done is enable companies to be able to deliver fresh goods on time to the supermarkets. And in fact, their solution is really clever in that it predicts what orders will come through from the supermarkets. So the order can be pre-packed before the order actually arrives. Very clever technology.
The success of the Produce World project illustrates how a creative and innovative approach to a real industry issue can make a substantial difference to the fortunes of the food processing and distribution sector. With its use of cutting-edge technology, Anglia Business Solutions is leading the way by helping clients make their businesses more cost-effective.
They operate up like something like 1.7% net margins. Really, with low margins like that, you've got to know where your costs are and what's happening to your product as it moves through the supply chain. Older technologies tend to be batch-driven, and batch-driven is no good if you're operating on an 8-hour cycle. The bottom line is what the results are and what they get out of it as businesses. And what they get out of it is full visibility of their supply chain end-to-end, better and efficient practices, less waste because the food industry is highly wasteful, and ultimately more profitability. So that's really what keeps the people moving forward in that industry.